Hello, first graders. Today for our math lesson, we're going to continue learning about Hansel and Gretel. I'm going to do a guided activity with you. You will not need anything. You will be watching my video and following along with me, but you will not need to write anything down. All right, we're going to get started right away. This is my sheet. We're going to go through it together. It starts up at the top. It says, write the number that belongs in each empty box. Use clues on the path to help you. I want you to look up here at the key. A breadcrumb is 1 step. A pine cone is every 5 steps. And a pebble is every 10 steps. All right, looking at A, I see that there's a breadcrumb starting us out. That's at 23. I could count on 24. 25. I know this is 25 because a pine cone always ends with 5. I could count the next breadcrumbs and make my own and count them by ones. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Or watch, friends. Now that I know this is 25, I know that the next pebble will be 30. That goes in the first box. I could count by ones again. 31, 32. Ooh, here's another pebble. 33. So 30 plus 3 more equals 33. There's another pine cone. I'm going to go back. If this was 30, think in your head, first graders, what would this be? I hope you're thinking 35. And then look, this one would be 40. We need to figure out this one. It's going to be a breadcrumb. I wonder if it would be easier to count backwards 1 from 40, or if it would be easier to count on from 35. I'm going to show it both ways. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And if I wanted to count backwards, I'm going to put 40 in my head. Count backwards 1 to 39. Again, friends, you're just watching today, watching the lesson. B, over here. Ooh, it's missing a breadcrumb. Those birds, they must have gotten those breadcrumbs. Ooh, I don't have a starting number this time. Last time I did. That made it easier. So I guess my first job is to go over to this pebble and then count backwards. So if I started at 60, 59, 58, 57. Okay, now I have my starting number. 57. Here's 60. Ooh, look at all these missing breadcrumbs. I wonder how many breadcrumbs are missing. Ooh, I know a way of figuring that out. If this is 60, we know the pine cone counts up by 5 more. So if this is 60, this has to be 65. I don't have to, but I'm going to fill in my breadcrumbs. If this is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Another missing number. I'm at 65, 66, 67, 68. That must be that missing breadcrumb. 69, 70. Ooh, that makes sense because if I go back here, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. My ending number must be 74. Number 2 says, write the letters to show what belongs in each empty circle. Is it going to be a pebble, a pine cone, or a breadcrumb? Pebble would be a P, pine cone would be a PC, and breadcrumb would be a B. This is 101. I know that number. 1 less than 101 must be a pebble. That must be the number 100. Ooh, I'm going to have to count backwards some more. I'm not as good at counting backwards, so I'm going to need some help. Think in your head. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95. Oh, 95 has to be a pine cone because it ends with a 5. 95. The next section has us adding. Friends, look. 10 plus 20. 10, 20, 30. 40 plus 20 more. 40 plus 10 more is 50, plus another 10 is 60. 30 plus 5 more. Ooh, everybody I bet knows that one. See if you thought the same answer as I did. 35. Oh, here's a tricky one for me. 43 plus 5. I'm going to count on for that one. I'm going to make dots to remind me. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. I made 5 dots to remind me how to count on 5. This says subtract. Oh, this first one is super easy, friends. You guys are so good at subtracting from 20. 20 minus 10 equals 10. 40 minus 20. Ooh, I know something about this fact. It's one of those doubled facts. 40 minus 20 is 20. 60 minus 20. Well, I could do 60 minus 10. That would be 50. Minus 10 more would be 40. And last one, this is a doubling one also. 80 minus 40. I could think to myself, what is 8 minus 4? I know 8 minus 4 is 4. And then I need to add my 0. 40. All right, first graders, I'm glad you had such a good time learning with me today and watching me do my math. Tomorrow, you're going to do something very similar to this in your workbook. Look forward to seeing you. Bye, friends.